It's your boy, the Grandmaster, coming back to you to hit you with another video. And in this part of the series of the videos, 20 tips to running a profitable membership site, I'm going to teach you 5 more tips on how to create a successful membership site. So let's get into these tips. Tip number 6, create other publications. With online publications, you can charge visitors a fee to access regular exclusive content and allow them to access your archives content. Tip number 7, have an attractive value proposition. The time of people signing up for membership sites starting slow because people are in information overload. You have to have an attractive value proposition if you want people to enroll in your website. Tip number 8, think hard about implementing your membership forms. Starting forms from scratch can be challenging. So unless you have a solid plan and know where you are going to get people engaged, you have to have an attractive membership form to get people, or membership sign-up page to get people to want to sign up for your membership. Tip number 9, membership sites don't have to be recurring. You can deliver informational products through your membership site. An ebook can be downloaded for your membership site with some added bonuses that are exclusive to your site and your site only. Tip number 10, sometimes having lower prices will make you more money. Ultimately, the amount of money that you will make depends on how long your members remained enrolled. You can have lower prices and they will stick around longer. You can make more money ultimately by charging them lower prices. You can have monthly prices, you can have bi-yearly prices, or you can have a one-time payment prices for your membership. But remember, people, the mission here is for you to start making money on your membership sites. It's your boy, the Grandmaster. I will see you in our next video.